How to change L71 IP to the new platform IP, step-by-step guide. Press the middle menu key. Press side key to repeatedly to enter app setting and open it. Select account. Press side key to again. Then confirm to log out. You'll see the login page. Press side key 2 to switch to the IP field and confirm. Press the PTT key to bring up the keypad. Delete the old IP and enter 822 146 206. Confirm to complete the switch. Note: your account must already be migrated to the new platform to log in with this IP. Contact support if needed. IP updated successfully.